Hey, what's up guys? Surge here. So the iPhone SE2 is becoming a subject of more and more leaks and gossip as the developer-centric WWDC nears. Sony Dixon, a hit-and-miss leakster, took to Twitter today to share an image that claims to show an iPhone SE2 screen protector with the notch cut out. As you can see, the iPhone SE2 notch is considerably smaller than the iPhone X notch. But this isn't the first time we have seen the iPhone SE2 depicted with a notch. iPhone casemaker Olixar claimed earlier this month that the SE2 will feature an iPhone X-like design. That report claimed the iPhone SE2's notch will be only 1.87 cm wide, which is around half of that of the iPhone X. Well, after that, an exclusive report from Forbes claims that the iPhone SE2 will not undergo any redesign process. Instead, it will be the same design with upgraded internals. Also, the iPhone SE2 will be an expensive deal compared to that of the current $350 asking price. The Bell reports that the two OLED models are on track for the September release, but the third new iPhone model won't go on sale until November. That's because the display for the cheaper LCD model has encountered yield issues, so the production will be delayed by 2 months. The report says that Japan Display and LG are responsible for the LCD screen, with the notch said to be causing the problem. Actually, the manufacturers are encountering light leakage problem while applying notch design on the LCD iPhone. So that's it. Tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.